Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, your gateway to a whole new world of audio excellence. These true wireless Bluetooth earbuds are engineered to elevate your listening experience to unparalleled heights. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a podcast aficionado, or simply someone who values crystal clear communication, these earbuds have it all. Let's dive into what makes the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro a must-have. 1. Active noise cancellation. Say goodbye to unwanted distractions. These earbuds feature intelligent active noise cancellation that effortlessly quiets even the loudest outside sounds. Immerse yourself in your world, tune in to what matters most, and leave the rest behind. 2. Hi-fi sound quality. Studio quality sound isn't just for the pros anymore. With Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, you'll feel every note as if you're right there in the studio. Whether you're rocking out to your favorite playlist or staying informed with a podcast, the sound quality will blow you away. 3. Enhanced 360-degree audio. It's all about personalization. These earbuds bring out the tones you love from every angle, providing you with a surround sound experience that's tailored to your preferences. It's like having your own concert in your ears. 4. Excellent fit. Comfort meets functionality. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro are designed to be even more comfortable than ever before, ensuring they stay securely in your ears no matter what you're doing. Whether you're working or working out, these earbuds are your ideal companion. 5. HD voice technology. Crystal clear conversations are now a reality, even in bustling environments. HD voice technology separates your voice from surrounding noise, making sure you're heard loud and clear. 6. Intelligent conversation mode. Stay connected without missing a beat. When your voice is detected, the intelligent conversation mode kicks in, turning off active noise cancellation, lowering the volume, and switching to ambient mode. No need to take out your earbuds, the world will come to you. 7. Water resistant. Don't let water ruin your groove. These earbuds are IPX